CoConstruct is a comprehensive construction project management software designed specifically for custom home builders, remodelers, and other project focused construction professionals. With its suite of tools aimed at simplifying the many layers of construction management, CoConstruct helps you manage everything from job costing and budgeting to client communication and team collaboration. In this overview, I'll walk you through the essential features and benefits that CoConstruct offers, making it an excellent choice for construction professionals who want to streamline their operations in 2024. So, first key feature of CoConstruct is its project and financial management. CoConstruct centralizes all aspects of project management, including job costing, budgeting, and schedule tracking. Users can manage all financial data in one place, ensuring that budgets are always accurate and accessible. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of expenses and avoiding budget overruns, as all costs associated with labor, materials, and subcontractors can be managed directly within the platform. Another key feature is its client and team communication tools. One of CoConstruct's standout features is its robust communication platform, allowing for seamless communication between teams members, clients, and subcontractors. With built in messaging, notifications, and updates, CoConstruct ensures that everyone involved in a project is always informed. This is crucial for minimizing misunderstandings and delays, as all communication is tracked and recorded within the system. So, additional tools for construction management is its selection and specification management. CoConstruct offers tools for managing project selections, specifications, and allowances, allowing clients to choose materials, finishes, and other project details. This feature is especially valuable for custom home builders who need to manage client choices without losing track of details, helping them avoid rework or client dissatisfaction. Another additional tool is its time tracking and scheduling. CoConstruct provides flexible scheduling tools that help you track deadlines, project milestones, and staff availability. This feature makes it easier to manage timelines and adjust schedules when unexpected changes arise. Employees and subcontractors can also log their hours directly within CoConstruct, allowing for accurate time tracking on each project. Another tool is its mobile accessibility. With CoConstruct's mobile app, field teams have on the go access to project plans, schedules, and communication. This mobility ensures that project updates are available in real time, no matter where team members are. By reducing the need for back and forth communication between the job site and the office, CoConstruct enhances operational efficiency and keeps everyone aligned. So the benefits of using CoConstruct for construction management is first, it's improved client satisfaction by providing clients with access to real-time project updates, budget insights, and selection tools. CoConstruct helps improve client satisfaction and transparency. Clients appreciate the ability to stay informed about the progress of their projects, leading to a more positive experience and fewer misunderstandings. Another benefit is its enhanced project oversight. With features like job costing and scheduling in one platform, CoConstruct gives managers greater control and insight into every stage of their projects. By centralizing all project information, CoConstruct allows for quick decision making and helps prevent costly errors, saving time and resources. Another benefit is its efficient collaboration. CoConstruct's team collaboration tools are designed to reduce miscommunication by keeping all project stakeholders on the same page. This unified communication helps teams stay coordinated even when working remotely or across multiple job sites, and ensures that everyone has access to the latest updates and documents. So basically, CoConstruct is an invaluable tool for construction professionals who manage custom projects, offering features that go beyond basic project management to address the specific needs of the industry. From budget tracking and client management to on site communication and scheduling, CoConstruct simplifies complex workflows, improving efficiency and client satisfaction. For construction businesses looking to modernize their operations and improve project oversight, CoConstruct offers a comprehensive solution that empowers teams and enhances productivity across every project stage. So if you're willing to use CoConstruct for your construction management, you will see the plans right here. So on CoConstruct's website. So basically they have three plans, which is the essential, advanced, and complete. So for teams looking to achieve more efficient job sites and simpler project planning, you may just be getting started with software or want to focus on project management and communication. So, if you are that specific team, you might want to avail the essential plan. They also have the advanced, so it's for builders who need to create estimates with confidence and are looking for fuller financial control. All tools from Essential are included. They also have the complete plan, so these are for those ready to centralize all complex processes, including selections and RFIs, into one simple platform. So you'll have the tools from Essential and Advanced too. So when you scroll down, basically you'll see a more detailed comparison for the plans. So as you can see, we have the complete plan right here that has all of these features. So basically you need to analyze all of this feature comparison and make sure that you will avail the plan that has all your business needs. So every package includes this learning academy, unlimited projects and users, and seamless integrations. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.